Fix slow keyboard response in Windows 10 or 11. Now, to fix slow keyboard response in Windows 10 or 11, first it depends upon whether you're using the inbuilt keyboard or you're connecting an external keyboard. Now, if it is an external keyboard, chances are that that keyboard have become quite old. But if it is an inbuilt keyboard, then we can conclude that the problem might be something with the device. Now, from here, what you want to do is under the settings tab, just go ahead and then search for keyboard, right? And here you'll see different type of options right here. You can also just try to go to Bluetooth and devices, and here you can see further options where you'll be able to find your keyboard section. Otherwise, just open your search bar and go to device manager right here. Under device manager, if you happen to put in an external device which is like your keyboard, then in that case you can just go to this keyboard section and just right click on all of these and update your keyboard drivers right here. Also, just check if your option of your Windows is updated to the latest version, and it could also be if you have enabled filter keys. So you want to make sure that you have disabled filter keys that you could be able to find over here. Otherwise, you can go to keyboard section and use other options as such. You can also try to do help with keyboard and troubleshoot some of the problems that you might be having with your keyboard. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.